Wrenching Boys YouTube channel.
What's up, everybody? I know it's been a long time since I made a video. I got a new truck, well, new used truck. I've been building it for a while, and I haven't been doing any updates, which I probably should have been. It's pretty much a full frame off restoration on my truck. I got a Duramax and just been working on it since. I stepped away from the gas trucks for a while, but not completely gone. Still have the wife's C10, which we plan on doing twin turbo setup on that. So there's that still, and then we'll have other content as well. But I'm gonna start getting back into hopefully making videos again. But today, I got a new steering wheel for my truck. My other one looks like a dog got a hold of it and was chewing on it. So I got a new steering wheel, black leather wrapped, out of a parts truck from a guy that's local to me. I'm putting in new steering wheel controls, and I figured now's a good time to do a little video on how to do that. And if anybody wants to or doesn't know how to, this should probably be a good video for you to watch. So the first step is you gotta take your steering wheel off, but this one's already came off. There's a nut in the middle. You got this little clip that goes into here. You twist it, it goes into your clock spring. Unhook this connector. This little cover will be on it on the back side here, kind of like in there. But you got to get your airbag off, but make sure you disconnect your battery before you do anything with your airbag. Just don't want it blowing up on you or whatever. But to take your airbag off, you stick a pin in here and then another pin in here, and it'll release it. So basically you're just like, there's these little pin, it's hard to show you. I guess there's these little tabs in here, if this thing will focus. Right there, it's a little pin, and then there's another one, and it kind of just locks in right there. Well, when you push something in here, I use a little pick, push that in this hole, it'll push that tab over, and it'll drop down the airbag on that side, and then do the same thing on the other. Airbag will come out, and then you're good to go. So I have all these OEM lights here that were already in the steering wheel. I've changed a few of these out already. I'm working on my last one, but I was like, hey, I probably should do a video to show you guys. So these are just cheap Amazon. Hopefully they work good. I think they're white LED. So I got a couple of these already in. I got this last guy right here. It's super simple. I think the hardest part would be getting the steering wheel off. So what I do, let's see which one were we working on here. Working on this guy here. Take your screwdriver right on in here. Make sure you're not, you can feel it's pretty flat on the side of the button. And then you'll just kind of, you'll just push your screwdriver, push it down. Some of them might be stuck. Just give it a little extra push, and the button will pop out. Sometimes you gotta move these wires in the back just enough to get it to come out. But there's your little clip in there. You'll pop that out. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is the one we're pulling out right now. There's a little pin. It'll just, right that. Shove it, hook it up, shove it back in. Make sure it's seated all the way in, and you're good. And then just continue on with the next buttons. And then that'll be it. I hope that video helps someone out that's wanting to change the steering wheel buttons. I know mine on my other steering wheel, they are really faded and the lights are out. So hopefully these new buttons will definitely help. I mean, the functions still work, but the face of it is all like rubbed off and can't see the lettering or the symbols no more. So hopefully that helps for you guys. I did forget If you want to get it off of Amazon, there's that. It's the steering wheel controls. You can look it up. And hopefully that helps. All right, guys, take care.